Hey lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And in today's video is another subber request by Gothy Clutch. She asked if we could do the Makartt no slip kit from Makartt, of course. What am I talking about? Because she wanted to see if she wanted to see more videos before she bought it, basically. So I'm here now today to persuade you. And she also wanted us to do the Femi Beauty lazy tip method. So that's what we are doing today. I think Femi Beauty has done this kit and the lazy tip method as well, or she calls it lazy girl method. Anyway, so we're going to go on to this kit now. So of course the kit is beautiful and pink and lush. I love this baby pink colour. You know what I'm like, guys. I'm a sucker for packaging. You know, the packaging just gets me every time. So basically this kit comes with the leaflet with the instructions and all that stuff, some paper forms, a base and a top coat that I struggled to get out instead of just pushing the bottom because I'm a muppet, 100 to 180 grit file, and then a absolutely stunning gel brush. So this isn't like the spear javelin tool because this isn't a polygel kit. This is a builder gel kit. So of course you don't need the spatula end, but I absolutely love the detailing in the handle. Those crystals are stunning, and it's a very, very nice brush along with that color pink. I was just like, yes, I love the brush. A new brush to put in my little pot on my desk. I'm so weird. So the kit does come with 12 builder gels in a bottle in total. The first one is number 1 and it is clear. The second is number 2 and it's like a light lavender colour. The third is number 3 and it is a pink nude. Number 4 is like a reddish pink. It looks more red on camera, but it is very pinkishy red. Number 5 is another pink. Then number 6 is a darker purple. Number 7 is a lush yellow. Number 8 is a really pretty orange. Number 9 is a light green. Number 10 is a light blue. Number 11 is a darker blue. And then number 12, it's a lighter blue than number 11, but it's darker than number 10. So here's all the colours side by side. They are 15 milliliters each in each bottle, and I do try to use as many of the colours as I can today. We are also going to be using some Fimo flowers and fruit. I wanted to do like a very summery pastel sort of style today. So of course we are going to be doing the lazy method like Gothy Clutch asked. So first I'm going to go in with some base coat, applying that to the nail, and before I cure, I then press in my Fimo pieces into the wet gel and cure my nail lamp for 30 seconds. If the Fimo pieces tend to lift out the gel, just hold them in place with your tweezers for about 5 seconds and they should be secure. But I basically do this to all of the nails. I just press random fruit and flowers into the nail. I kind of wanted to do like a smoothie set, but I added flowers, so it's not really a smoothie set because you don't add flowers to a smoothie. I mean, you can, but I don't think it would taste very nice. I don't know. I'm not a plant person. Every plant I have passes away because I forget to water it. Anyway, I'm such a horrible plant mum. I don't have plants. So we do press, like I said, we press it into the wet gel and again cure for 30 seconds. I do this to all of the nails. I alternate between different fruits and flowers. I just thought like some strawberries and some lemons, dragon fruit, and I think it was passion fruit, that pink one, and then some like blue, purple and white and pink flowers. So yeah, I was really happy with the little Fimo arrangement. I'm kind of obsessed with Fimo at the moment. I think I can't wait for like October to do some like Fimo Halloween nails. How sad am I? So I do change it up a little bit on each nail. I do different colours, like One nail is like pinks and purples and orange, and then another nail is like a rainbow and stuff. But once I've done this, by the way, pressing the Fimo pieces and curing in my nail lamp, I go over the top with another layer of base coat because you don't want the Fimo pieces to cause any bubbles, so it kind of encapsulates them. And then on four out of 5 of the nails, I did go in with some iridescent glitter that I got from the Makartt pink polygel kit. So it really did like bring the nails together in the end. Of course, then I went in with the builder gel. So the pinky, I didn't put any glitter on because I didn't think about it until after. But basically, I just put little blobs up the nail, and this builder gel is really nice to work with, especially in these bottles. I think this is a great idea. It's a jolly good grand idea. I don't know why I said that like that. That was the first thing that popped into my head. But anyway, I went in with the different colours, and then I used the brush to sort of marble them all together. I just hit my desk. Did you hear that? I just whacked my desk by flinging my hand in the air. Anyway, I didn't do it like too marbled because I didn't want to like turn like these colours into like a murky sort of colour. So yeah, just pulling it around and gently patting it. The brush, you don't need slip solution with this kit because it's a builder gel. The builder gel doesn't work with slip solution. But the brush, I would suggest, if you are using it, obviously to clean up around the sides like I do, and to move the gel into place, you would need some rubbing alcohol or acetone just to clean the brush off at the end. But as you can see, when it did ooze out the side, I just cleaned it up with the brush and it was really easy to do. This kit is very nice to work with. I would highly recommend it. It's got so many different colours, and guys, I didn't even use that much. Like, there's still loads left and I can't wait to do some more sets with it. But my first set, I had to do a rainbow set. I couldn't have a rainbow kit and not do a rainbow set. I just felt like it would just been a stupid idea. So basically now we're going in with that glitter into the sticky layer of the base coat, and then I just go on top with the builder gel straight after. It doesn't move the glitter at all. So the builder gel, I absolutely love that little spout. It's really easy to clean as well. You just literally wipe it off on a bit of like tissue paper or kitchen roll, lint-free pad. You know, it's really easy to clean up. So this kit, it minimizes mess because you don't have to worry about like it being all stringy and sticky on a brush, like you would like if they're in tubs. So yeah, I'd highly recommend this kit. It's definitely great for beginners. It's definitely a kit that you can get a lot of use out of. And like I said, all the different colours as well. I think that's absolutely fantastic. And for the price, it's not that bad. I did get this off AliExpress, so I will leave the link down below in the description box. Because as you guys know, I'm from Wales in the UK, so I can't like get Makartt products off of the Makartt website. And we're very limited on Amazon, so yeah. So anyway, as you can see, it does get a bit messy with the lazy tip method, but you get that with polygel, so I'm not mad at it. So the set did turn out like smoothies. Like I said, I wanted to do like a fruit smoothie but with flowers. Yeah. I don't know. But I really enjoyed this like summery sort of bright coloured nail set. I think I'd done really great with it, and that glitter really did add some lush effects. But it's all the way through the nails. I do exactly the same thing. I didn't file too much, only the tips and stuff, just to make sure that I kept the shape. But of course, if you want like that nice C curve, I would suggest going in with your e-file. But that's the great beauty of lazy tip method. You don't need a file because the work's all done for you. It's fantastic, and you don't remove the tip off of the nail, of course, neither, so don't try and remove the tip because it'll just all come off. Um, so other than that, guys, that was pretty much it. Oh yeah, I added some top coat to the top and the underneath because of course this is Builder Gel. Once you wipe the sticky tacky layer away, there's still like some tackiness. Not tacky, it's like that weird texture that will like suck up some dirt. So I top coated underneath as well as on top. Added some cuticle oil, and that was pretty much it. But this set, guys, is great. I'd highly recommend. Gothy Clutch. Hopefully this has answered your questions and persuaded you a little bit more. And I hope you enjoyed, because I really enjoyed doing this set. I don't think I've forgotten anything. I've recorded this twice, see, because I kept forgetting to say things. And by the way, I will add as well, the reason my hands are very dry and yucky looking, we've been washing our hands a lot, of course, and been using like hand sanitizer when we've gone shopping and stuff, because we are still in lockdown here in Wales. Sort of, it's like a limited lockdown. I don't know. I still stay in unless I have to go out, you know. But yeah, my hands have been really dried out from all the hand washing and stuff, because obviously I've got kids, so I want to make sure that they understand they've got to wash their hands. And when they go back to school now in September, wow, this year's gone by so fast. I can't believe it. But once they go back in September, I want them to know that they've got to wash their hands and stuff. How is everyone doing anyway? I should ask that because, well, I want to ask it anyway, but I hope everyone's doing well, because I know that it's a very big struggle, and it's also different in other countries to where I am. Some have got it worse. Like, we've actually been really lucky with cases. It's not actually been that bad where I am. I don't think we've had I think we've had 2 in like a month, so that's really great for us. But I hope everyone else is staying safe and taking good care of themselves and stuff like that. And I hope that you guys are all doing well. But sorry, let's not be like moody, because we're doing a bright set here and we're doing Makartt. But yeah, I hope everyone is staying safe though, and I hope everyone is well. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below. But I am going to leave it here, guys. I'm just going to put some music on so you can watch the last of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for all of your support. You guys are absolutely amazing. I hope you're all staying safe. I think I've already said that. Keep on smiling, and I will see you all soon, guys. Bye.